Hey everybody, today I'm gonna be unboxing a wireless keyboard with a touchpad. It's basically gonna be for a HTPC, so it's basically a HTPC keyboard. It's all included, so like it's a wireless keyboard with a touchpad all built into one. So that's what that is basically. Now let's open it up here. You guys can get a good look at it. Here it is. Let me get this box out the way. Bye. Alright. You guys can see here. Get it in the shot. This is a Logitech keyboard, and this is the K400 Plus. That's why I said it's a HTPC keyboard. It has a smaller size, and then it has a touchpad. Okay. Now it just shows you some specs on the back. The range: 10 meter, 33 feet range. Now let's open it up. Break the seals here. Alright. All you get is some instructions manuals, tool here, the keyboard, the USB dongle here. Okay, and you can see it closer here, the touchpad here, and two buttons. Now the buttons feel pretty good. They don't feel cheap. They feel pretty good, so that's a good sign so far. Okay. Alright. Then in the back you have batteries that are included here. So you remove this so the power connects. But they are just some cheap batteries, some cheap AA batteries. It uses 2 AA batteries. So that's all they are. But you get batteries included for free. A couple of cheap batteries there. Alright. And then you have here your on and off. Green, good. Red, off. Okay. And then a mouse button right here also. That's all. Let me get this straight now. That is a right click. And you guys can see that. Alright. Now I will attach this bad boy to my HTPC and let you guys see it in action. Alright guys, starting up my PC here, and once this bad boy starts up we can get into the... Alright, so system's already detected it and it's installing the drivers. You can see this here a little bit, if you guys can see that. It's installing the drivers right there, ready to go. Alright, there we go. So far doing pretty good. Very responsive. Wow. Yeah, very responsive. Let me try something real quick. Try the keyboard, all the buttons. Ooh, keyboard looks like it's responsive. All right, the keyboard's working, pretty responsive. Okay, that's good. That's very good. All right. Okay, so that's working pretty good. All right, now click into this here real quick. Guys, get a better shot here. Doing pretty good. So far, I'm not having any signal problems. It's very responsive. I'm having no problems with this right now. It's doing very good. Okay, now let me get out of this here. And where is my... Oh, here it is. Get my show box activated here. Let it boot up real quick. Just like to see how the remote functions in this software here. See how good it is. Alright, so far it's doing okay. Get this crap out of here. Alright. No problem with selecting different items, so that's good. Oh, can't do that. In my account. Can't show that. That's top secret. Get out of here real quick. But it looks like it's doing good. Let me go to a folder. I have to do this real quick. I don't want to get a copyright strike, so try this real quick here. See what happens. Get out of there. Let's get to oh yeah, the remote is very responsive, guys. So if you're looking for a remote for your HTPC, a starter remote, basically it's a starter remote. It's not, or I keep saying remote, sorry, keyboard. It's a starter HTPC keyboard. So, you know, to get you started, you want to, you know, get your HTPC going. You want to get your remote, start out with, you know, get you in the game. So I remember it's very responsive. I'm touching it. The signal is great. I like the size. It's not too big for a HTPC remote. But the only thing is it doesn't have a backlight. So that's one thing you guys might not like. So that's why I call it a starter keyboard. You know, get you started out the door with your HTPC, because it doesn't have all the the features. You know, doesn't have the backlights, doesn't have, you know, color changing LEDs or anything. You know, it's just to get you started. So it's for beginner keyboard, you know, just to get yourself up and running basically. But it's very responsive. All the buttons work just fine. I don't have any problems with it. Signal strength is pretty good. So I would recommend this, guys. Okay, so it's the Logitech K400. You guys probably, I don't know if you guys can even see it, so I got the lights down, but it's the Logitech K400. So need a beginning HTPC keyboard, this is one I'd recommend for you. And as always, guys, thank you for watching my videos. Hope it was helpful, very informative. Bye bye now.